There we go. That's better. Alrighty, guys. Let's talk a little bit about the tips for maintaining your battery string trimmer. Of course, you know, if you've done any kind of string trimming, you probably used a gas model, and you know, gas models, you have to deal with the fuel filter, the spark plug, and of course the carburetor, and that kind of maintenance, which kind of time consuming and not overly fun, especially the carburetor. It's really difficult sometimes to get it set just right, depending on your mixture and everything else. Like, I'm just saying, 15-20 minutes, right? And that's if it starts up first pull. Then you know, just move things a little bit just to get a better run out of your trimmer every year. With a battery model, that goes away, right? So what do you do for maintenance on a battery model? You got to maintain a good battery health, right? So your battery, and of course you can click on the battery here, and we can see that well, my battery's almost dead. Okay, and that's because I forgot to charge it. No. That's all that is. Anyway, you don't want to leave these on charge forever. You know, I charged these up last fall, and they held the charge through the winter. I did some blowing with the leaf blower, which the leaf blower just blows through these things like nothing. But I did some blowing with that, you know, some just yard maintenance, and that drained the batteries. And I didn't put them back on charger because I knew I wasn't going to pay attention and take them off the charger when they were full. So that's one thing you got to do, is if you put them on the charger, don't let them charge for days on end or weeks on end or months on end. You know, once they're full, get them off the charger. It's gonna increase your battery life and make the tool last more for you, or last better for you. Electric models, just the same as the gas ones. Some models you do need to cap off the grease in the head, but you do that every 50 hours of use. If you're only using your trimmer a little bit here and there, once a season, right? Just put your grease gun on there, top that grease off, and you're good to go for another year. Don't overfill it, just, you know, crack it enough to start seeing a little bit come out, and then stop right there. You want to make sure that the vents on the back of your trimmer are clean, which this one only has one. Actually, it's got 3 vents here. We got the vents right here, make sure that they're clean and free of debris. Plus we got the vents right here, and the same on the other side, whereas we have the 2 here, plus we have a couple here. Just make sure those are all clean, that and free of debris. That'll help ensure that the engine gets the airflow that it needs to stay cool. More of a thing with gas-powered trimmers as opposed to electric trimmers, although electric motors can get very hot as well. Definitely make sure those are cleaned out to extend the life of the motor. And then the other thing is, you want to check your head to make sure that the head is not damaged and not cracked, not broken, not destroyed, and look for if you need to replace it or not, right? This head, pretty good condition still. I only bump the bumper whenever I need to put out more string. I don't drag it across the ground. I don't let it spin around on the ground. That's stuff that's going to decrease the life of your head, and a lot of people do that, right? They'll drag that head down along the ground, and it'll be spinning and just eating away at that the whole time it's in use. You don't do that. You keep it up off the ground. Only bump it when you need more string. That'll extend the life of that. But you do check that to make sure that it's not damaged, right? If it's damaged, get it replaced. As far as maintenance for an electric string trimmer, that's all you need, guys. That's it.